45 miles per hour.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs. Swing increase. Locations impacted include Duncan, Paul's Valley, Marlow, Walters, Waurika, Lindsay, Healdton, Linwood, Comanche, Maysville, Rush Springs, Bray, Ringling, Temple, Land, Elmer City, Petrolia, Velma, Paoli, and Butters. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.